Good morning, guys! How's it going? This is Tam again, and for someone who hears for the first time and forever, I'm joking. For someone who hears for the first time ever, this channel will help you to improve your IELTS score from 5 to 7, especially in speaking and writing. Remember that I use as many simple vocabularies as I can in my videos to prove you the fact that numerous advanced vocabularies boosting your IELTS band score, as time might not be the case. I'd rather focus on the 4 marking criteria to show you the bigger picture and help you to improve your IELTS band score, especially in speaking and writing. A little bit about my IELTS band score. Last year, 2019, I took the test and I scored 8.5 in reading, 8 in listening, 7.5 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing. As I will post my new material every Monday or Tuesday every week, they definitely match your self-studying pace. Besides, I'm currently working here in New Zealand and I do enjoy cooking at times. In my videos, I will show you guys some of the New Zealand sceneries, Kiwi ordinary life, and the Vietnamese cuisines. By the way, I'm from Vietnam. Hello everyone! So guys and girls, this week's question will appear shortly.
Cool. Are you ready, guys, to answer the question? 3, 2, 1. Well, actually, in my country, people usually get married in their 20s. In specific, for female, it's often 22 to 25 years old, and for male, it's usually 25 to 30 years old that people decide to get married. These days, for the actual ceremony, people would wear the Western style clothes. So for the man, he would be wearing suits, and for the bride, she would be wearing the white. Even though later on for the actual reception, the dinner party, she may change it into red dress. There are numerous people who will attend the ceremony. The families, obviously, both immediate and extended family, as well as all the friends of the couples. Traditionally, on the wedding day, the bride and his family need to get up very early. The groom and his family need to get up very early, then started moving to the bride's house. The night before, the bride and her family have to prepare the altar with a lot of fresh flowers and fruits to show the respect for their ancestors. And it's also believed the holy way to let their ancestors know about their grandchildren's marriage. The both families will spend about a couple of hours talking in front of the altar about the new life of the couple, such as where they will settle down, whether or not they will stay with the extended family or move out. And the conversation is believed to be heard by the ancestor, and it is believed that, in another word, the ancestor will pray for the new couple to have a prosperous, happy, and healthy life together. So guys, I have just finished answering the question in the IELTS speaking part 2. So now it's time to analyze why my answer will score best. Actually today guys, the weather a little bit rainy outside, so I'm not in a good mood to go out and film some of the New Zealand sceneries. So instead I will show you guys some of the scenes in one of the biggest shopping malls here in New Zealand. It's called Westfield in Newmarket, and I hope the warm atmosphere inside the mall will give you guys a bit more motivation, then you can prepare better for your IELTS preparation. And good luck to someone who's going to take the test in the next few months. If you are not ready yet, don't worry, keep calm, drink your cup of coffee, tea or bubble tea, and let's IELTS. For now, take care guys, and I see you next time. Enjoy, bye, cheers, xin chào, tạm biệt, bye bye.